lot of manufacturers don't do this. You see how much 5200 Gary puts underneath there? Biggest thing that happens, rubber on tanks, is guys will take rubber stripping. They'll lay a bead. They might lay 3 fucking beads in it. But what you got to do is you got to take your time and you got to smear it. See how it's got it all spread out?
Yeah.
Huge difference.
And that isolates the rubber from anything, right?
Yeah, and you make sure, and it doesn't end up having any voids.
Adhesive gasket material.
Or wherever you don't have sealant, you will end up with a void.
With the fuel tanks now installed,
Nice. Alright, so Monday we'll get all the hoses.
and our fiberglass components to our gunnel wall and our step up are tabbed in fiberglass back into place. Gary has designed and fabricated our fuel tank hold downs,
Nice.
which is also acting as a deck support.
Cool, nice to support then Pursuit used, huh?
We cut strips of composite and methaculated those strips around the perimeter
There you go.
as a receiving flange for our cockpit deck.
Beautiful. Super buddy action.